canyon in Chiang. It's like a water park. Look at this. There's zip lines and everything. I just climbed up this massive thing. I'm about to jump off. Ah! Oh. Jesus. Oh, it's cold! Oh, flipping hell, I fell. Oh, it's cold! Oh, they're coming. Oh, it's not that bad, I don't have to scream. Woo! I really hope this case is waterproof. Trampoline. Yeah! I won! Oh god! Oh! Flipping! Oh crap! Is it warm in the water?
It's actually not that bad.
Oh really?
It's actually nice, yeah.
Don't push, you go first. Actually, video it. Video that, I'm going across. Go on! Watch your feet, bro. He's fucking done it! He's done it! He's fucking done it, bro. I just climbed that. Now I've got to get across it. He's been in the water for like 10. No! Right now, on a slide. It's a slide, really.
You got the big cup as well, didn't you? Black Friday.
3. Ah! Oh, flipping hell. It goes up the nose. Right, I'm on the trampoline. Jump off. I don't know how I'm meant to do this. It's a bit high, no?
That's quite high.
3, 2, 1.
Go on, lad. Go on, son. Go on.
Ah! Ah! Went up my nose so bad. Yeah. Up the ladder. Doing it with one hand is a bit. Take a good step. Oh mate, it's back in water.
Oh, you joking? Good seeing you, man.
Stop! It's all ripped at the bottom. Sliced my flipping neck open. I'm meant to get through. I think it's pretty. About 8 really. Easy, easy. But now we're getting up. In there. Up there, not in there. Running through it. So this is a massive long stretch of a slipping slide. I'm running, mate. I'm running. That was piss easy. Oh. Ow. Jump. Oh my god, that hurt! Oh my god. just broke my back. Oh my god. Total wipeout. Oh, this is it. Easy! It's not easy. Right, it's like total wipeout again, but bigger. I'm gonna try to do this. It's probably gonna foul bad. I'm at the sticky waterfalls in Thailand, Chiang Mai. I'll show you guys what it's looking like right now. So you got to take your shoes off, but it's not really sticky. Yes, I've got the dogs out, yeah, but it's crazy. There's a big waterfall up there that you got to climb up. It's actually a bit of a workout. Piss off, fuck. Hey, this is crazy. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna die. I'm not actually gonna lie, it's quite easy just to walk. Like, you don't really need to hold on to any rope. It's cool, but I thought it'd be a lot more like uphill, if you know what I mean. Right, we just climbed this and we've got to go all the way up here. This is the slippy route. You're probably wondering why you're doing the slippy route. I've got the biggest bollocks in Thailand, mate. If my phone breaks because it falls, you probably won't see this video. Hello, fat boy. And yes, I'm wearing the same clothes as yesterday, right? Don't give me skank. I can't get into my hotel yet. But let's get down this. Oh. Hey, I'm good. Right, maybe it is a bit slippy. It's easy. I don't know what everyone's talking about. I did just fall straight on my face because a little baby took the rope from me, smashed my face with a rock. But basically it'll take me. Oh, you got an easy route now, are you? Yeah. Apparently this is the slippiest part. It's not even sticky. She's just stacked it. I didn't even get it on camera. But I feel like I'm gonna. I've just stacked it. Right, I shouldn't actually record. No, stop. No, I can't. Alright, that last bit was actually quite hard. I stacked it like twice. Look at them idiots. They can't even get up. They can't even. Alright, that's the sticky waterfalls done. They're about an hour drive from Chiang Mai, like central. But these are the views around it. It's actually crazy. And it's boiling hot as well. They weren't really sticky, they're more slippy. I'll be right. Ladies. What the? So we're at the elephant sanctuary now. Just went rafting on a bamboo boat and I've just trodden it. I've just trodden the biggest pile of poo, but we're following it all the way down. We just fed it. I'll try and put some clips on because this is for the YouTube, not TikTok. I'm gonna try and put some clips on now. What?
Before we do elephant, I want to give you information a little bit, okay?
Here we go. Oh my god.
Yeah, okay.
Oh.
Enjoy, huh? Enjoy the time with your elephant. Today your elephant, huh?
Apparently you got to shout "bow" to open it up. So, bow, 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 bow. Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, I'll give you one more, you cheeky bug. You cheeky. Oh my god. Oh, oh. Where's that? Is that UK base?
Yeah, very good, very good. I will do that, get the line.
Hey. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So now we're just making some elephant food. That's good for their stomach, yeah? I'll show you what we're doing. Wait, what? Barbecue?
Barbecue.
Barbecue? What? Wait, where are you from?
Brasil, I live in
Chat,
Spain.
you know what that means?
Parado no bailão, ela com popozão.
You know how crazy this is? I'm just following the elephant's arse. Like, it's massive as well. Whoa, whoa. For about an hour of walking, we're at this waterfall. Wow. I mean, this is cool, the hike, but mate, it's not really planned out. Like, if I walk this way, I'll fall off. Alright, that is the end of the vlog. I actually forgot to do an outro last video. That's a couple people said it. But that was very good, really tiring, but unreal, look at it. Don't know what the next video is going to be, probably in Pi. Got to get a bus up there and it's 320 curves or something. Don't know, I'm tired, sorry, bye.